Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This driver is passing multiple vehicles from the center turn lane. This idiot turned right from the wrong lane. How is this even possible? Do not want to get hit by that thing. Must have found his license in a cereal box. Almost T-boned an old lady today.
Holy fuck! Oh my god!
This driver was in a hurry for the dinner. Watch where you're going, bro. This driver gets pulled over twice in a 2-hour span. Do not want to get hit by that thing. Slow and steady, almost crashing into me. Just another day in Miami.
A few moments later.
This driver's feelings are hurt, so he gets out of his car to yell about it. I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Are you okay?
Yeah, someone just did that to me.
Yeah. Please be careful. He was going my direction, but he was...
Comment if you know where this is. Imagine the insurance costs for that thing. This idiot and company van speeding in 20-degree wet weather. Sheriff was pretty easy to see. Still not entirely sure what happened here. I'm still shaking after watching this. This truck driver too tired to know what the white lines mean. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.